In this help video, I'm going to show you how to get the information to complete the mutual fund worksheet. There are over 17,000 different mutual funds for investors to choose from, including stock funds, bond funds, industry sector funds, etc. So we're going to use Yahoo Finance to get our information, and you're going to click on Screeners, Mutual Fund Screeners. And here we're going to put in a variety of variables. So NASDAQ is already there. I want you to also add the New York Stock Exchange. Next, the category name. Since we're looking to diversify, I'm going to click Foreign Large Growth Companies. So now you can invest in international companies, something that you could not do buying individual stocks in the How the Market Works simulation. Then to add a fund family, these are the companies that actually sell mutual funds that meet this foreign large growth criteria. So you can just pick 3 or 4 of these. I'm going to pick some of the popular mutual fund company, Fidelity, Goldman Sachs, and then JP Morgan. For the Morningstar performance rating, Morningstar is a company that evaluates the performance of mutual funds, so I want mutual funds that get either a 4 or 5 rating. And then I'm going to click on Find the Mutual Funds, and you will see the mutual fund names of such mutual funds will come up. So from here, you can click on any of these. I'm going to click on this first one here. And to get the information, the first thing I ask you for is the name of the mutual fund, as well as the ticker symbol, which is right here. So Fidelity Series International Growth Fund. Mutual funds trade under 5-letter abbreviations as opposed to 3 or 4 like individual stocks. This mutual fund has a cost of $15.38 per share. So you're paying a per share price like you would for a stock. Then if I click on Profile, you'll get the category name that I asked for, Foreign Large Growth. The fund family, Fidelity Investments. Year-to-date return is 18.66%, so this mutual fund is doing quite well year-to-date. The Morningstar Style Box, these are growth companies, and this particular mutual fund invests in large companies. Over here as well, the fund summary is useful for explaining exactly what the objectives are for the mutual fund. So what kinds of companies is this mutual fund looking to invest in? The next thing you want to do is click on holdings, and I ask you to name some of the holdings, or in other words, some of the companies. So when you click on holdings and you scroll down, here are the top 10 holdings. You may or may not recognize some of the companies that the mutual fund invests in, but you're going to recognize MasterCard and Visa, okay? International or foreign company, as well as domestic companies. And that is it. Have a nice day.